We will be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
So it's fully raining in the winter, and you know what does it mean? More cold. I mean, if you get wet in summer it's okay, but if you get wet in winter it's not okay at all. And I don't know whether my friends will come or not, but let's see what happens today, because we have our biochemistry class. Now I'm heading towards my college because I have PCP. Today we have a kind of a biochemistry class, like it was kind of a crash course. And then yesterday we had the class, but since the roads were blocked and everywhere there were a lot of water, so we couldn't come. So yeah, this is the classroom in Sagar Datta, and yeah, we just had our biochemistry lecture class, and then we have our practical. We have our practical right now, and group A has gone, and then we have group B. Ishita is in group A. I don't know why you are here. Oh fuck. Now nobody is here. It's kind of a good class because you know the sounds, I think there is a protection of sounds from here. So yeah. So Ishita wants me to take a picture, and that's it. Okay, Kolich. Do you want to say something?
No.
Why?
We are decent people
Oh.
who do our practicals on time, and we don't go in beforehand. So basically that.
As you can see, it's turning like brick red. It will turn, okay, eventually. So you have to keep on hitting it. So it's Benedict test for urine. See? Until and unless it gets brick red. So it's 8 in the morning, and I'm heading towards my college with my friends, and this lady here in black is always late as always. Like she's always late.
No, I'm late na. Train always late.
No, not train always late. You wake up late. So we have to wait for her, and now we have PCP, and then we have biochemistry practicals. We got the list in one chance.
Yay!
Shujata went out of what? Out of panic. She's always panicking, so she just went, and we are in the lift. Yeah. So PCP is done. Now heading towards locker. So I'm done with the PCP thing, and now we will head to biochemistry practical class. Today we will be identifying biochemical instruments. So yeah, it's an important class, and yeah. That's the update. So we have DA today, but the DA lab is not yet open. But what can we do? We tried to call, but they ignored us. Ignored me on my face.
Yes. No, we don't know. The famous blogger Pooja Mahapatra.
Oh my god. Still this girl want a sponsorship for her
For
food.
please.
I don't have money.
A Bondit Maggie.
It is kota taka?
45.
God. So right now we are taking coffee break, and we are listening to Falguni Pathak. Falguni Pathak. We are a big fan of Falguni Pathak, and our childhood was filled by Falguni Pathak songs, and this song is really nice. But Shrujata has never heard this lyrics, so we are suggesting her to listen to this song. खोजे क्या जाओ दिखे जाओ Hey guys, so today is a day when I came to my family members, and I think my mom is meeting them after 30 years, and this is because somebody who is very elderly to our family has encountered death, and it's a normal death, and she was really aged, so we didn't want to make a fuss out of that, and it was kind of a get together, and I think she would be really happy to see that people come in a discreet way. So it's like we don't meet each other quite often, and yeah, you can see there is a small lake kind of thing, and my sister has made me come here. I have never seen this place before, and then we have come here, and I thought of like recording this moment, and we had fun. I know it's a death ceremony, but it was a good death ceremony. Like, people must have this kind of thing, because when you are not in this world, it's good to see your family together and laugh and share their joys and everything else, and that's a nice feeling. And yeah, I wanted to share this moment with you, and let's see what happens in the next part. I'm grateful you're mine. So that's my family. We're heading to home right now. It was like the second day, so in our Bengal ritual we have like a kind of food celebration. Like, first day we have veg, and we are only family members yesterday, and today some guests were also invited. And as you can see, this is kind of a village place. It's like in between, so I like this kind of places, and for holidays and for vacations I always prefer this kind of places, because you know, in city life I am leading my city life, and sometimes it's best to just disconnect and come here. You can see like cow dungs, and very freely speaking, I really like this kind of vibes. Like, for few days it really feels good, and you know, you're like in the nature. And in city life, it's like there is no trees at all. Like, there are few trees. In my college there is a greenery, like full of greeneries, because they had made that environment. But otherwise in cities you will always find vehicles, everything is AC, and that just suffocates me so much sometimes. And you know, I'm grateful for that as well, because you know, in summer AC is important, but also sometimes it's like good to see butterflies there, and like birds, and like yellow, white butterflies, flowers, and I like that. I'm like that. You can judge me on that way. So yeah, and I will just go today, and then let's see what happens. I missed today's college because I will be starting my journey right now, and it's like 2 PM right now, and yeah, I had my PCB class. I missed that today, but it's okay. So yeah, let's end this vlog over here, because I think I will be traveling now. And if you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below your thoughts. And yeah, I have made this kind of vlog, week vlog, like for the second time, and I am vlogging after a long time, and I hope you guys enjoy. And I know your counseling process are taking long, but I hope that whatever you choose, it gives you happiness. Good things takes time, just remember that. And thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, bye bye.